40 to 45. Looks like rain, believe it or not, on Sunday. 21 now, humidity 40.
Yikes, that's a bad red light run, too.
Today's high will be near 30. Manpower shortage.
Are you just going to sit there?
Not there to drive the train.
Really?
Problems as well, so dozens of canceled trains yesterday.
Why don't you just pull over and park right there?
Some other...
What the f***? A little douchebag.
Waves no trade clause. So what we were talking about Seabrook last week, a couple weeks ago, and they came out and said, nope, that never happened. Well, now we've got Jim Benning standing at a podium and saying it did. Jim Benning with his hair clearly dyed black, which was really distracting.
Really?
I was waiting. Anyways,
you really were going to go in
Edler
there.
refused to waive his no trade clause.
That's it? Hey, 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 hey! Stop it! Why you gotta do that for? Yep, there it goes. I knew as soon as he got up to 65, it was gonna all blow up. Yep, more's coming off. Oh, that guy up there. What the fuck are you doing? Speed the fuck up! Really?
Like me, all right? Here we go. Top causes.
Whoa!
Stroke. All right, here we go.
Nissan drivers?
Hotel is hypertension, high blood pressure. I was psyched when the doctor came and took my blood pressure.
You should have went earlier.
Blood pressure to 25-year-old.
Be around for quite some time. CP Price 401 says, Scotty, what do you think of the Jeep Liberty 2008? I'm not a fan. That's when they started.
Everyone's driving past that
when
bus.
They started making the Liberties, they started to try to make them for
Wow.
bigger mass, cheaper.
Oh! Why would you do that? What? Eversource, the electricity company, come on!
Piece of candy to a 10-year-old boy whom he recognized from his church.
Why are you
Before
doing
bed,
that?
Timothy O'Brien
What?
asked to eat some
What?
of the candy he found,
What?
choosing to pick.
Red light runner, the blue car. Oh, and he's gonna get pulled over. Echo with laughter. Uh-oh. Oh, right up there. I knew it. Whoa, what? He almost ran him off the road.
Their fake outrage is vomitous. It's disgusting. So I
And you're on your phone too.
He said,
if you want to go from what?
I never could get Joshua to learn the most important lesson. What's that?
Oh, wait, what?
Susie?
Why would you do that?
You are. And this is why I...
From the left lane up there. Beep, beep, beep. Douche nozzles. Why is that guy stopped in the middle of the circle? What, do you wait until the light changes to go?
Lincoln 30, actually make it about 40 now.
What?
The cameras. Inbound Holland Tunnel has got a 45-minute delay. Alternate side of the street. It is suspended today, citywide, and we're sponsored by NFQ Long Island Marathon.
Really?
Master the gym.
Holy shit. Look at all the place to park, and you gotta park there. What a moron. What the fuck? And he almost spun out, too. He almost fishtailed. Come on. Wait, that's a bad red light run, too. Nope. Nope. Where are you going? Make up your mind! What the fuck are you doing? Up there. Hit by, you've been hit by a smooth criminal. What? What? What was that? Yeah, you got a red arrow, buddy. Oh boy, how do you screw that up?
Yes. So in 1976, the rules almost
Right turn from a
explicitly
straight
stated
lane.
if you
Okay, that was red light run. What the? Seriously? Oh my god. You're too busy putting your makeup on. Oh wait, this is where it is. Damn it. What the f- Red light runner. Really? Really? Move your ass over.
He'd be an asshole, but Douglas would be excellent at cinema sins. Wait, I phrased
Wait,
that.
what?
Douglas would be excellent at cinema sins because he's an asshole.
Maybe we can see better than we thought.
That's kind of sort of no turn on. What? And what's that guy doing?
I've heard them from Hispanics. I've heard them from African Americans. I've heard them from hillbillies.
What are you doing?
Heard them from Cajuns.
Prius.
Rednecks. Yanker, when you've got some equity, look at them going ahead and refinancing and putting them together. Because you're going to pay, it's going to take you a while to pay this thing off. Leaving and showing you exactly how, step by step, process by process, you can get your most powerful wealth building tool back. It's called your income. And if you don't go get it back, it's going to be your fault.
Wait, why is this? He went straight from right turn, left turn lane.
If you don't go get your income.
It's red, buddy. How's that guy doing?
It's a real good question.
I think it's per person though. Like somebody like Alex just seems like he's getting worse and worse. Like
it's like, oh, okay. Super. Wait, where did that guy come from? What? Oh my god, you could have went. You can go. Go! Oh my god. That was red light run. On your mass destruction. Taste me, you will see. That's red.
I know why he got banned. I don't know what happened. I know there was that incident with that woman.
No, what are you doing?
And he wound up getting fired. He was drunk.
It's green.
Really stupid shit on Twitter.
Wait, which way are you going? Okay. Why are you in the middle of the intersection? Don't even attempt to stop. Nope. You did not make it. Yeah, I'm supposed to do that. Thanks. What the fuck? I don't think that BMW ever stopped.
Process. While initially the Sherman Act seemed like a great step in the right
Red light runner.
Politics.
Why are you going over there? This is dumb. Why? No. Oh, very bad. Was you walking? Oh yes, sir. I'm talking to you. That guy up there. Oh yes. Why? Oh, red light run. Oh. Oh! Shit! What can I do?
You done messed up, Aaron!
Hope no one notices. No, bad. You are so fucking no. There's no one here. Come on. How are you supposed to see? That's a red light, Avis. Really?
Is it true you had your balls out, sir? Well, yes, I was in the...
Yep, of course. Straight from right turn.
There was a woman knocking on that door.
When they get to the pearly gates, you're not
Really?
getting into heaven in those, honey. No, sorry. I died for your sins with those pumps.
Hush money payments to different women.
Michael Cohen can be trusted.
But what about the substance? I mean, the president writing a check to him while